Now, one of the things that we are seeing on the streets of social media is that there is a car that looks like the Onvo L70 or L80, which is an elder brother to the current Onvo L60. Now, this car is uncamouflaged, but obviously I think it is heading towards one of the cars that belongs to Onvo, which, if this indeed is the L70 L80, I think it's quite a beauty, man. I mean, let's agree. Just have a look at the back. This is a car that obviously it is trending, and I must say it is good looking. And though it will be a bit expensive than the Onvo L60, which starts around of course $30,000, so with a battery, and without a battery $21,000. We know that this one is going to be a bit expensive compared to that, and hopefully it gets to attract quite a number of consumers to come and buy, because now the Onvo, people that like Onvo will have options to buy not only the L60, but there will be other two models that they'll be able to buy this year. And one has to wonder, when will NIO this year launch these cars, because these are the cars that we are supposed to unlock the 30,000 deliveries from NIO. So when I got to see this picture, I was very happy, because this is a beautiful car. I must say, this is a beauty, and knowing that NIO will be selling this car, or might be selling this car very soon in the next couple of months, it makes me to be really excited. I mean, as it stands, the Onvo L60 is doing a good job alone. I mean, and we can wonder how many cars, how many deliveries they can be able to get, or Onvo L60 can be able to scope with. Now these other two models that are coming to that are going to be introduced sometime this year. I mean, Onvo in January they sold over 5,000, in December they sold over 10,000, and in October they sold over 4,000. This just shows you that there is progress that we are seeing coming from the Onvo L60, and in March, Onvo L60 anticipate, or they are planning to sell 20,000 units, which when we hit that figure or that estimate, it is going to be so good, because whatever the president of Onvo said, it will be coming to pass. I know right now in January it was a bit disappointing, the figure, because we were expecting over 10,000 still, but knowing that Onvo got just over 5,000, I think it is not that bad, looking at the fact that this is a car that was launched sometime in September of this year. So this is what we saw. This is a car that is supposed to unlock quite a number of sales coming from of course Onvo, and yeah, we just hope for the best. We hope for good things to come out of Onvo this year. I mean, earlier today we're talking about the 8,000 swaps that the Onvo users completed just yesterday alone, which is something that was great or exciting, and it shows you that those that are buying Onvo are also, most of them are also subscribing to Bus, meaning that they want to enjoy themselves going to NIO's battery swapping station and completing a battery swap. And I think it will be so good to see how these new models will make people react in terms of also going to subscribe to Bus, right? But I think, I know that majority of the people are going to buy this car with Bus, or these models with Bus, which will result into NIO seeing even more battery swaps that Onvo gets to complete on a month, on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, which will be so great, and it will bring a good impact into NIO's total swaps that they get to complete from their users, which is great and exciting. So yeah, man, this is good. We can expect great things. We still don't know if this model that we are seeing is the Onvo L70 or L80, but one thing is quite certain, and that is this is the elder brother to the Onvo L60. And if it is the L70, it looks so great, because we know that if this is indeed L70, it means that L80 will be even more beautiful, because that one, it will be the top tier. But if it's the L80, again, it will still be good, but I'm just hoping that it's the L70, because if it's the L70, then you can imagine or start picturing how the L80 will look like. But yeah, all in good times. We'll get to see more information about these cars, but all I can say is that we look forward to what will happen. We look forward to what will be coming from NIO. Onvo, it is the car brand that will take NEO to the next level. 30,000 is what they are targeting, I think, by the end of this year, to get from Onvo alone, and that adding to the plus 20,000 that they will continue getting onto NEO, and maybe the 10,000 that they will get to Firefly. By Q4, NEO could be easily delivering 60,000 cars on a month to month, which that will be so great, that will be so amazing and exciting. And when I think about this, me, I want to take the low trading prices opportunities to load the boat, increase my holdings onto NEO, because I know NEO is a company which is set for greatness. NEO is a company that will be doing so well, and therefore those that are persevering, taking the low trading prices opportunities to load the boat, are most definitely going to be rewarded with time. Share price wise, I know the market might not be with us for now, but I hopefully by the end of this year we finish the year very well. We finish the year at a very good share price, and if it happens like that, I hope you are not one of those people that are going to regret why they did not take an opportunity of the low trading price and load the boat onto NEO. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. And that's all from me, man, and God bless you all.